Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Today I will be sharing some creative ways to organize your fridge using everyday items you already have at home, all without spending a dime. These tips will make your kitchen routine smoother and more efficient. An organized fridge not only speeds up your cooking but also helps you access your veggies and ingredients with ease. Let's get started. Let's first see how to store eggs. I get eggs in this type of box. The first method is that if you have a nice beautiful bowl, you can directly place the eggs in it. Now you can keep it on the countertop or in the fridge. Now let's look at a quick DIY egg box. I have cut off the lid of this egg box and trimmed the sides as well. Now it has become a simple egg tray which can be placed as it is on the fridge door shelf. Or if you have a plastic box at home like I do, you can fit this tray into it. The tray fits perfectly in this box. Now you can easily and safely store the eggs in it. We all have empty ghee glass jars, pickle jars and sauce jars of various sizes at home. These can be used to store daily cooking ingredients like lemons, ginger, garlic, chili, curry leaves, coriander, etc. To protect coriander and curry leaves from moisture, place a paper napkin in the jar first. These jars can store a good quantity of ingredients. Since they are transparent, it is easy to identify all the ingredients, making your cooking routine smoother and faster. And believe me, ingredients stay fresh for quite a long time in these jars and do not spoil at all. You can also use old tiffin box to store cooking ingredients. For example, this is a 2-tier steel tiffin box. It can be used to segregate and store chopped vegetables. If you do meal prep, this type of tiffin box can be quite helpful. To store vegetables, you can use empty ice cream tubs. These tubs have good depth and can hold a substantial quantity of vegetables. Before storing the vegetables, place a kitchen cloth or paper napkin at the bottom to prevent moisture buildup, ensuring the vegetables stay fresh for a longer time. Since these tubs are not transparent, label them with the whiteboard marker to easily identify the contents. The writing with the whiteboard marker can be easily wiped off. If you want to create a single box to store small quantities of all these helpful ingredients for easy access, I have a simple hack for you. Use an unused or spare masala box that comes with separate compartments. You can place small amount of chilies, garlic, ginger, curry leaves and coriander in these sections to streamline your cooking process. To segregate fruits and vegetables in the crisper drawer, we can create small baskets using empty flour and rice bags. Cut them open from the top and fold the sides to shape them into baskets. You can also make these baskets from paper bags. Now you can segregate and store vegetables in them, making it easy to access them while cooking and keeping your drawer organized. You can also use old grocery and spice containers to store your kitchen ingredients. For example, I have some old spice jars that I now use to store chutneys and dressings. Kitchen cloths tend to tear after some time with regular use. Instead of throwing them away, they can be reused. Remove the torn parts and cut them into different sizes. You can even stitch them to make vegetable bags. These fabric pieces can be used to wrap vegetables before storing or placed at the bottom of boxes instead of paper napkins to absorb moisture. Small carton boxes of snacks and cereals, fruits and vegetable boxes, or empty chocolate boxes that we often discard can be used to organize your fridge door. Trim the carton boxes to reduce their size. Remove the lids from the fruits and vegetable boxes as we only need the bottom part. Fridge door shelves often become messy with small items like chocolates, coffee and ketchup sachets, seasoning packets, and cheese slices. Using these boxes can help you segregate and store these items, keeping the door shelves clean and organized. Using liners on the fridge shelves helps keep them clean, and you can use your old discarded dining mats for this purpose. I have some old plastic mats that I am using in the fridge. They are very easy to remove and clean. Now let's organize the fridge using the ideas shared today. With transparent boxes and jars, it is easy to identify everything and it looks very organized. For non-transparent boxes, labeling them makes identification easy. The entire fridge is now well organized without spending any money or investing in expensive organizers. This is why I always say that if you genuinely want to organize your home, you don't need to buy costly organizers. You can use unused or discarded items from your home to get organized. However, be sure not to overhoard these empty jars and boxes. Keep them in limited quantity as per your need. Keeping too many will lead to clutter and waste precious space. A clean and organized fridge not only makes your kitchen routine easier but also faster. That's all for today. I hope you like these ideas. If you want to see more zero-cost organization ideas like these, please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. I will see you all next week. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.